Hi, we're going to talk about some special properties of water today. A water molecule is made up of two hydrogen atoms and an oxygen atom that are covalently bonded together. This means that the hydrogen atoms each share an electron with the oxygen atom. Because the oxygen atom is bigger and heavier than the hydrogen atoms, those shared electrons spend a little more time with the oxygen molecule. This gives water its bent shape. It also results in the oxygen side of the water molecule having a slight negative charge and the hydrogen sides of the molecule having a slight positive charge. These charges to the molecule are called polarity, and they give water several unique properties. Because of the polarity of water molecules, the negative oxygen sides of the water molecules will bond with the positive hydrogen sides of other water molecules, and these bonds are called hydrogen bonds. They are weaker than the covalent bonds that hold an individual water molecule together, but they give water unique properties. In liquid water, many of the water molecules have hydrogen bonds with other water molecules. In ice or solid water, all the water molecules have hydrogen bonds with other water molecules. And in the gas state, all the water molecules are independent of one another. There are no hydrogen bonds. Here are some of those unique properties of water. Even though hydrogen bonds are considered weak, they still allow the molecules to stick to one another, which creates cohesion. This cohesion is why when you spill water, it does not splatter into billions of molecules, but instead forms a puddle. Water also has surface tension, a thin skin that allows you to fill a glass of water over the top edge and not have the water spill. The hydrogen bonds hold the water together. Water molecules not only stick to one another, the polarity causes them to attract other compounds and to dissolve ionic bonds. Because water molecules interact with other water molecules and polar molecules, water is also able to dissolve nearly everything. Given enough time, water can dissolve most substances or more substances than any other known substance. This is why it is the universal solvent and also why the ocean contains so much dissolved material, including 50 quadrillion metric tons of salt. The energy required to break those hydrogen bonds is why water is so slow to warm up and so slow to cool down. This gives water high specific heat capacity, and it allows it to moderate temperatures in coastal areas. Water is also unusual with its density. Most materials contract or shrink as they get colder. Water contracts until it reaches 4 degrees Celsius. Then it expands. This is why ice floats on water. Imagine how different our world would look if ice sank. These properties of water are caused by the polarity of water, its bent structure, and the hydrogen bonds that form between water molecules.